हाय, मेरा नाम है वैभव अली और मेरे साथ है साई फ्रॉम MG Motors. Sai, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good, sir.
Doing good? Are you all ready and all set for a good test drive?
Of course.
So he's set, and I'm going to tell you if I really like the car or I don't like the car. We'll figure that out during the test drive. This is the MG EV. What are the other specifications of this car?
So top end you will be getting panoramic sunroof, heated ORVM lamps, and also leather seats, PM 2.5 air filter, and whatnot. You will be getting a best driving experience.
Yeah, so we are considering an EV because A, it is good for the future. We have kids, so we need to take care of the earth and the environment. Even if we didn't have kids, we had to take care of our Mother Earth. And also, I think an EV is the need of the hour. Now, someone like me who always wants to upgrade to things that is more technology friendly and all of that. So we have the entire Bacha party behind. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
So we have the entire Bacha party, and hidden is my wife. How's the back seat? Because is this a Max? The seat is behind?
Max.
Yeah, I have space for my legs.
Okay. Considering she's only 5, so we'll have to figure that out. The key is not really required, so we'll just keep the key here and we'll start the car now. I can't feel a thing that the engine is ready. Okay, let's go. There's one thing, I cannot drive a car with my slippers on, and I'm wearing slippers right now, so I have to drive it without my slippers. I'm just not used to driving it with my slippers on. Shoes I can, slippers I can't. The throttle is amazing. Now look at this one, and I'm on the normal mode, and whoa, it just takes off. I like that. I think that was an alarm sign ki slow down boys, slow down. And I'm not even on the sports mode, so pretty good. So as of now, I had a very short drive and the car has got some insane power. Great handling, but insane power. What are the other things that we look for in a car? Especially when you have kids, you're looking for space, you're looking for good control. And क्योंकि हम Indians हैं, हमको सबसे important ये है कि बस देती कितनी है, और क्योंकि ये इलेक्ट्रिक कार है तो उसका भी टेंशन नहीं है हमें, तो देती कितना है नॉट रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. कार अभी भी चालू है, बट देयर इज नो नॉइज एट ऑल. ओनली द AC का नॉइज इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन हियर. द अदर नॉइज यू कांट. So Sai here was telling me that all the update that happens on the MG, it all happens via air, right?
Over the air.
Over the air. So 3 reasons why should somebody buy this car.
Because of the build quality and iSmart technology, where I have already told you about the geofencing, iCall, eCall. It's when your wife is going somewhere, you can track the car wherever you are in the world. And it's like
I can track my wife. Sarah, I can track you wherever you go. Actually, it should be the other way around, okay?
Yeah,
Then?
just for security purpose and all. And also you will be getting 6 airbags, 4 disc brakes, and 5 years unlimited kilometers warranty, 5 years roadside assistance, and 5 labor-free services, and also 8 years warranty for battery.
Wow. After 8 years, what is the price of the battery, yeah?
So due to innovation, you will get low price only.
I'm sure. That's the point. But right now, what is the price?
It will be around 6 lakhs.
Around 6 lakhs is the battery right now. But I have 8 years warranty,
Yes, you have 8 years warranty.
not guarantee. There's a funny thing, warranty and guarantee. Right now, the range is 350.
Yeah, 340 kilometers.
340
if you are
kilometers.
going in normal speed, you will get more than 340. If you are going without AC, 563 kilometers second. That one video is in YouTube. In one single charge without AC, exactly 563 kilometers, which is driven by Autocar guy.
Wow. So Sai here is suggesting we try the sports mode on. So right now it's in the parking. So I hold the brake and press neutral, drive. Yes, kidhar hai bhai? You know, when I was in Dubai, I sat in a Ferrari with a friend, and we were in the city, by the way. So when he took off, I could feel कि बहुत power है, but it's not doing justice. Well, what is up? This is the Ferrari California. We are in the lanes of Dubai, you know, so we can't really go fast. But you know that there is power inside you, but you're not using it to the fullest. I felt the same thing here, not as great as the Ferrari, of course, but I could feel, you know, कि अंदर से there's a feel there, and we are doing it again. This is amazing. I love the sports mode. And you know, there's a quick control thing that happens because everything really becomes stiff. It is no more like your city drive. It becomes firm. You know, it gives you like an confirmation saying that, boss, I'm ready for you to take me for a good drive. You're very hot, baby. You know, with a car like this, you will never have to stop at another petrol bunk in your life. You know, I don't know whether I've said this earlier, but this car really gives you a very safe feel. You know, जैसे कि आप एक cocoon में हो. You know, that's the kind of feel that this car gives you. And with all the test drives that I've done, I really feel that this car holds you safe. Shocks are pretty decent because right now Bengaluru roads are pretty effed up. And this is doing a pretty decent job in these pathetic roads that we have in Bangalore. Please, somebody from the government is listening. Please, sir, give us better roads so we can drive properly. So the MG ZX का boot is 470 liters capacity. Now check this out. Am I going to fit in? Not bad. I'm a pretty heavy guy. My height is about 5'11". That's what I like to believe. But around 5'10", 5'11", and I can fit in. Not bad at all. I hope the mafia is not listening to this. You know, another very cool feature that I like about this is that you can actually slightly pull this up here and then up here. So, you know, if you're going to a gym or you have a bag, like a small bag, and I think this looks far more cleaner and classy. And over here you get your portable charger, the MG portable charger, which is super important for times when you don't have a chance to get your car completely charged up. Let's see the seats over here. Come, let's see the rear seats. The seats are really comfortable. You know, I've been saying this, that when you're sitting in this car, it's as good as sitting in an extremely premium car. And the reason why I keep telling you this is the quality that this is. And in the price range of 25 lakhs, I don't think इतना comfort कोई कार में है. अगर कोई कार में है तो please comment करके बताना, क्योंकि मुझे जितना मालूम है, I don't think कोई भी कार में है. And the seats are pretty decent. Wow, not bad. If this would have opened down, I think it would have been much better. So MG, if you're listening, this is one thing that I perhaps didn't like. If you could have pulled it down and, you know, you had your armrest there, it's nice. I really like what these are. These are for your car seats. It is on either side, so you can have the car seats just put in here for your little babies, and they are going to be safe and sound. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल, गाड़ी लेनी है या नहीं लेनी है, और अगर लेनी है तो क्या आपको लगता है कि 25 लाख रुपए डाल के एक ईवी व्हीकल लेनी चाहिए? अगर आप मैथ देखोगे इट ऑब्वियसली मेक सेंस, बट देन मार्केट में आई थिंक 2 गाड़ी अभी अवेलेबल, 2 या 3 गाड़ी अभी अवेलेबल है. अभी सिंस टेस्ला ने अनाउंस किया कि वो आ रही है, तो आर वी ऑल गोइंग टू वेट फॉर टेस्ला? देखो बॉस, टेस्ला इज अनदर एनिमल ऑल टुगेदर, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट डिपेंड ऑन योर ओन कंफर्ट. सो whether the car is going to suit your need, whether the car is going to suit your personality, and at the same time, the most important thing, will the car suit your budget? ये चार्जिंग पोर्ट इज वेरी वेरी सेक्सी. You know, it's like कि भाई खाना खिलाओ, the mouth just opens up. So this one is a fast charging port जो is not available in portable chargers, but this one here can really charge up your battery. So if you're charging in this port, how long does it take to charge the battery?
It's around 14 to 16
14 to 16 hours. But then if you're doing it at a fast charge,
50 minutes.
50 minutes. Wow, that is insane. 50 minutes, huh?
Yes, sir.
14 to 15 hours, 50 minutes. So घर पे हो आप, you're not doing too much, you're traveling somewhere from the hotel in the night, you can charge, and charging starts.
For DC charger, it will take 50 minutes. And we will be providing portable charger. Along with that, home installation. You will be getting home installation kit.
And the home installation is 50 minutes?
No, sir, it takes 5 to 6 hours.
5 to 6 hours for the full charge. 50 minutes, you know, if you find any MG dealership nearby, quickly go drop your car there. 50 minutes, full charge. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है भाई. So the voice commands also are amazing, you know. It's like how you control your lights and your fans via Alexa or Google Home. It's pretty similar. Check this out. Hello MG,
Hi, how can I help?
open the sunroof. Happens very effectively and very instantly. You can also, there's a chat feature. Let's try that out. This is my favorite feature in any smart device. I just love to have some random shit conversation. Let's try it out, how shitty this can get. Hello MG,
I'm here.
what's your age?
One should be young at heart, that's all I believe in.
Hello MG,
Yes.
would you go out on a date with me?
Pardon?
Hello MG,
Hi, how can I help?
you look really sexy today.
There is no available source. Connect a USB device and try again.
Let's try again without connecting the USB source. Hello MG,
I'm listening.
how am I looking today?
You look amazing.
Thank you, boss. My work is done. That's why I did all this, so that the car can tell me that I look amazing. And the other funny thing is that the car is telling us the battery is very low. What is the range of this right now?
Yeah, it's a 10% battery. And how much carbon dioxide you have saved also, you can see it as for now you have saved 3264 kg of carbon dioxide. Now it's in normal mode. If you're going to eco mode, your range increased here. And if you're going in sports mode, yes, range decreased. And also due to this regeneration, when you release the brake and all, again it will charge and the range will also increase.
Since you're from the sales team, have you ever got stuck? What happens if we get stuck?
Before I used to be so much of worried when I came to this electrical team as a sales, and now I'm very very sure because 80% of the Bescoms having electric stations. Now it's 10%. Yes, obviously I will be dropping you at your location. I should go to my head office. So yes, it's 10%. I'm not worried because I'm going to the nearest electric station or nearest Bescom. I will go and I will charge for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Again I will go to head office. Before it's I feel so scared. Now I'm very confident on that.
And you know the funny thing is, all this while the car was on, and we are moving right now. you don't feel a thing about it. I think that's so brilliant about an EV. कि at times you don't even remember कि बस गाड़ी on है नहीं on है क्या है.
And all these headlights on, just like a petrol or diesel car, it will be maintaining by this battery. And only for motor and battery, it will be dedicated for running. Yes. And yes, as I told you, you need to maintain this wiper water, coolants, and brake oil. If it is top end, you need to check for the 2.5. You will be getting air filter for top ends. PM 2.5 air filter.
And the
That's the
battery
maintenance.
unit is right in the center, right?
Yes, sir. It will be in the center. If you hold it, you can feel the weight actually.